What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm breaking down my exact meme coin strategy that actually works in this low volume market. I've made hundreds and even millions of dollars using this approach, and no, it is not by trading or chasing charts, but it's about deving the right way and launching coins on repeat until one coin goes viral. Stick around because I'm showing you exactly how I do it in today's video. Are you tired of trading and then losing all your money on meme coins? Well, I am too, and that's why I started deving meme coins. Let me show you how it works in today's video. Now, most people get wiped in meme coins because they trade them. They buy in, and sooner or later, the dev completely dumps on them and they are left holding nothing. That is why experienced traders and big KOLs on X are switching to deving, because it's simply low risk and high upside. And honestly, bro, it's way more enjoyable to dev than to trade them. Imagine, bro, you are the guy behind the coin that went viral and you have all the control over everything. Okay? Now, when you trade meme coins, bro, your money goes straight to the devs. But when you launch your own coins instead, you are the one in control. That is why I switched to deving. Now, deving is pretty straightforward. You launch, you let buyers and traders come in naturally and organically, and when you decide it's time to pull out your money, well, you just cash out and boom, you are up thousands of dollars. Now, right now, deving is the new meta because creating a meme coin on chain costs literally nothing, bro. It costs literally $0. That is exactly how I built my entire portfolio from $0 to hundreds and thousands of SOL. Okay, so stick around because I'm about to show you how to orchestrate your first launch and potentially turn it into real profits in today's video. And by the way, bro, disclaimer, I do not condone any financial advice. It is all for entertainment purposes only and all educational. Now, when new developers start thinking about launching a meme coin for the first time, the default option that comes to mind is obviously Pump.Fun to launch meme coins. It's the most visible platform, so people assume it is the right place to start, and that's where they mess up and lose a bunch of time. Pump.Fun is insanely crowded. Tokens are created non-stop and vanish almost instantly. If you are still launching coins there, you are basically spinning your wheels. But even worse than that, bro, Pump.Fun owns your whole liquidity setup and takes a portion of the creator fees. You don't have control over your own launch. As a dev, the real objective is getting your token onto Radium, where actual buyers and serious liquidity is looking for. But on Pump.Fun, that process depends on timing and luck more than strategy. That's exactly why I moved over to create coins.io, because this launchpad removes those bottlenecks completely, and your token is deployed straight to Radium from the start, skipping the middle class steps, so your coin will reach active traders immediately and gives you a real edge over all the other devs. And the best part, you keep full control of your profits, and that's exactly why this launchpad is being gatekept by a bunch of people in this space. Now, here's how to actually create a meme coin on createcoins.io when you are ready. Now, there's two different ways to go about it, bro, and it's all up to you. Okay, just listen and hear me out. The first method is to create a coin from scratch. Now, a meme coin needs a narrative, obviously, so go on X, go on Reddit, look for some type of news, articles, anything, right, and make a meme coin out of it. For example, Elon Musk tweets do really well. Trump tweets tend to do well too. Anything like that would do well. Okay, anything viral, anything with attention, because meme coins are a attention market, right? Now, once you have that narrative, come back to the website, enter a quick name. Okay, you have to invent it, right, around that narrative. Create a quick ticker symbol, then take a screenshot of the narrative and put it right here for the logo. And just like that, After these simple steps, your meme coin is custom created. But the second way to make a meme coin is actually how I've built all my money, and that's by copying trending coins. Now these tokens are already going viral and they're already buzzing on Pump.Fun, which means they're proven to attract buyers and they already have a good narrative. So copying these coins will guarantee yourself some traction, some momentum, and some buyers in your coin, all because you are copying coins that are already working. And bro, I copy coins all day. I copy around 4 to 5 coins and I make a couple $1,000 every single day. And I will do a quick example. Okay, let's stop talking and actually dev a meme coin right now by copying it. I will do a step-by-step tutorial to profits. Now first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is obviously connected, bro. Then click on here to have all the new coins. Now just choose a coin and copy it. I'm going to copy the Quesadilla coin. It has it as by 2 seconds ago. Click on create coin. After that, ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, click on understand. Then click on confirm right after, and then the coin should be copied in a couple seconds. Boom. And yeah, if I go on SoScan, you guys will see that it is live on chain. Everything is here on the blockchain. Everything is working. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step is easy. We are just adding liquidity and then your coin will become tradable on Radium once the liquidity is set. Now every single coin on chain needs liquidity. On Pump.Fun they do it automatically for you and they control it, but here we control our liquidity pool. Now for the token A, just make sure you click on 90%. That is going to drop all the supply, and you were keeping 10% of that supply. That's why you're dropping 90%. Right under for the amount token B, this is the ignition for your chart. Okay, that Solana right here is not spent. It's temporarily locked in for the first buy of the coin. The minimum is 0.3 Sol and it will come back to you once the liquidity is removed. Okay, it's simply the first buy coming out of your pocket, but you will get it back later once you dump the coin. Now click on create pool right after. I put 0.32 Sol. Then after that, click on confirm and then click on the refresh button down below. Scroll down and boom, the Quesadilla coin is on live. Your profits are going to show up right here. And if you click on the refresh button to officially check your profits, now we're up $126, which is not too shabby. Now click on view on Photon or Axum or Nova, it's all up to you to view the chart. Let me go on full screen. As you guys can see, bro, your coin is officially live. Everything is fucking legit. Come on, we're already getting a shit ton of buyers. Okay, we're already up like 200, 300 bucks. I don't even know how much, bro. We're at a 1.8k market cap, bro. This is actually fucking absurd, bro. Deving meme coins is so insane. We created this coin 1 second ago and now we're seeing results right here. Okay, and bro, the best thing is that this coin costed us $0, okay, and we're just getting constant transactions. Oh my god, bro, I love deving. You guys gotta tap in after this video. Come on, bro, it's so fucking volatile. And don't worry about it, bro, it is going to go up because there is going to be more traders that are going to view this coin and then buy in. Come on, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump, and when I come back we are going to cash out. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 4k market cap, 3.8k, around there, right? It is kind of consolidating. But yeah, bro, now it's time to cash out some quick profits. So come back to create coins.io real quick. And obviously, bro, click on the refresh button to officially check your profits. And now as you guys can see, bro, on screen, okay, I'm not capping, we're up $1.65,000 on this coin. Oh, it's because it went up a bit right here. Now click on the minus button and here you can choose the percentage that you want to remove. Some devs can do around 1%, 3%, 5% at a time, but if you want to completely dump it, just do 100%, remove right here, then just wait. And as you guys can see, bro, we are going to receive around 13.33 Solana. Well, obviously, I am going to receive this. If you want to receive this for yourself, then you would just have to launch your own coin. Anyways, click on confirm. And bang! That's exactly how you do it from start to finish. Okay, I am fully transparent. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet, you guys can see that I just received all my fucking cob in my fucking wallet, bro. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and join my free Telegram group and Discord group down below, bro. And if you want to win 3 Solana like this guy right here, just like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and join my Discord group down below, bro. Peace out.